Now, the first example we're going to consider to see how to apply Kant's categorical imperative is the tax cheats case. And let's just go over the details very briefly. Now, recall the tax cheat case is about a person deciding to cheat on his income taxes and rationalizing the behavior by claiming, look, the government's not going to be harmed by my cheating on my taxes. I'm only going to take a small amount, and that amount's going to be negligible in comparison to all of the income tax that the government collects. And remember, it was a situation I asked you to consider where everybody's in agreement that this is a just government. If they don't waste your money, they're not spending on things that you have questions whether they're morally entitled to. Okay, and you'll be happier because you'll have a little bit more money spent. You'll go on a vacation. Nobody's going to be harmed. So it looks like it has a higher utility for you to cheat on your taxes. But the right thing to do was not to cheat on your taxes. So let's see how Kant's theory can be used to explain why cheating on your taxes, in this case, the person's cheating on his taxes, is wrong. Now, we'll keep in mind the categorical imperative. So if the tax cheat should not be cheating on his taxes, it has to be the case that the tax cheat cannot will that everybody follow his maxim of cheating on his taxes, in order to get a little bit more pleasure for himself. Now, the question is, why is willing this contradictory? Where is the contradiction? And the idea is, when we look at it, is if he's willing to cheat on his taxes in this case, he's willing that he gets the benefit of the money by being the only one who cheats on his taxes. That is, whenever he wants to get a little bit more money, he's going to cheat on his taxes. That's what the maxim would be. Whenever he wants to get a little bit more money to spend on himself, he's going to cheat on his taxes. So that's the one thing that he's willing in that maxim. But we see the other thing, that if he's willing that maxim be a universal law that is applied to everyone in every case, he's also willing that everybody gets the benefit by cheating on his or her own taxes. So there could be a situation where he's willing that everybody cheats on his or her taxes, but in that case the contradiction is that he can't get the benefit, because if everybody cheats on their taxes, the government's going to find some other way of getting money to finance itself. That is a different way of taxing you. An income tax won't work. They'll do something else. So the maxim of the tax cheater's action, he cannot be consistently willed by the tax cheater to be a universal law, apply to everyone. So that's the reason, according to Kant, that the tax cheater is not doing the right thing. It doesn't meet his categorical imperative.